Yes, so yesterday all the introductions discussed. Java 10:45. Yes, day one session. First day. Yes, just about me. Yes, about course. What is prerequisite to learn Java? Course contents. What next after this course? Yeah, these things were discussed. Yes, yeah, just yeah, let us repeat yesterday's class. Let me repeat. Yes, first 5 minutes. It's just repeating yesterday's class. Yes, about me, I think it's not necessary. Okay. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, 23 years of experience. Most of the experience Java, big data, Hadoop on this area. Yes, current working company, Celitech Private Limited. Now presently working from home. Working from home. Yes, 18 projects completed. 2 projects on embedded C. First initial experience. Next later, yes, changed to Java, shifted to Java, Java career. Yes, next Hadoop, Java and Hadoop career. Totally 19 projects. Now current project is Java, Volkswagen client. Yes, it's ERP application. This is about me. Okay, just first 5 minutes I'm repeating. After that, I'll go to the new topic. Okay. Yes, about our course Java. Yes, duration 3 months, 90 days, 115 hours. Time 10:45 to 12:15. Yes, today little bit late started. Yes, due to some reasons. Okay. Yes, exactly starting at 10:45 only. 10:45 to 12:15. Yeah. Okay, next Monday to Saturday classes. Number of sessions 75 to 78. So 115 hours. Fees only 5,000. Certificate also provided. 3 demo classes free of cost. Tomorrow means today. Today starting actual classes. 3 classes free of cost. Okay. See daily recording, share it your Gmail ID. By 2 p.m. you can watch it. Okay, validity for 1 year. Yes, recording sharing, class document sharing, and yes, this JDK softwares also sharing to you. JDK softwares. So this is about your course. Okay. Yes, core Java 3 months. Time this is Monday to Saturday. Yes, number of sessions 75 to 78. Fees this much. Certificate also provided. Yeah, today starting actual classes. Okay. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand here. Starting from basics, finally taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing course, you can put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay, this is about prerequisites. Nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you. Course contents. Yes, in today's topic, I'll explain course contents. In today's topic, also covering course contents. All that course contents. Okay. Yes. Right. So this was yesterday discussed. Okay. Yes. About me, about course prerequisite, course content. These things discussed. Okay. Yes. Now. Yes. What next after this course? Yes. Today I'll tell you. Today I'll tell you. Yes. Let us start day 2. Yes. Day 2. Day 2 starting actual classes. Okay. Starting actual classes. Yes. 3 days. Actual class of 3 days. After you can decide its actual class. Save. Day 2. Java 10:45, 16th March. Daily session. Okay, yes, let's start. 1 second. Let me have some water. Yes, second day. Actual classes. Yes. Now let us start Java. Yes, first question. I'm starting the question only. What is Java? Yes. Anyone idea about this? Anyone can answer this? Of course, I'll explain very clearly. Simple question: what is Java? Very simple question: what is Java? Anyone? Anyone can you tell this? What is Java exactly? Yes, Sagar. Good. Programming language. Fine. Next, any other answers? Yes, no worry. Even wrong, no worry. Right or wrong, that's not an issue. Okay. I'll explain. No worry. I'll explain. Just I'm asking your idea. Java, it's a programming language. Okay, that is from the Sagar. Next, any others? What is exactly Java? Prashant, Java is a programming, Java is a platform independent programming language. Okay, good. Next. Yes, yeah. Okay, fine. Let me explain. So, what is Java? Simple answer. Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. Yes, what is OOP? OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. Object Oriented Programming. Yes, OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. So, what is Java means? Java is an object oriented programming language. Yes, what is Java? Simple answer. What is Java means? Yes, Java is an object oriented programming language. Okay, Java is an OOP language. OOP stands for object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. So Java is an object oriented programming language. That's it. That's it. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Yes, the Java history. Yes, from the release to today, what was happened in Java? That complete history I'll explain. Yes, I work with every version of Java. The Java history will discuss. Okay. See Java's JDK. JDK is Java software. Java software JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Okay. Yes, this is from Sunsoft. This is from Sunsoft. Okay, from JDK from Sunsoft. Yes, now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle. Yes, Corporation. Oracle Corp. Okay. Yes. So Java Development Kit from Sunsoft. It's from Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes. See JDK. JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of Java. First version. Yes, JDK 1.0 first version of Java. First version of Java. Yes, released in the year 1995. Okay, JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0 is a first version. That first version of Java released in the year 1995. See, 1995 means, yes, it is before your birth, right? Yes, before your birth. I think this is before your birth. Okay, 1995. What I was doing at that time? Yes, I was in engineering second year. I was in engineering second year. engineering second year. Yes, before releasing Java, already I'm in software field. I was in engineering. At that time I was learning C language. Yes, we have the C language in our second year. Yes, I was learning C language. Yes, in our second year we have the C language. Okay, C. My engineering, computer science engineering. Yes, 1993 to 1997. Okay, yes, JNTU. Yes, JNTU. JNTU Hyderabad. JNTH. Here only, Kugatpalli. Yes, even. Yes, I'm member of that group, JNTU group. Our old batch, old students group is there. Yes, let me show that old students group. Our JNTU group, WhatsApp group is there. For our old students, after all the old students, is created one group. Okay, like regularly we are sharing all that information. Yes, sometimes we are meeting also. Occasionally, some occasions we are meeting. Okay. Yes, 93 to 97, JNTU Hyderabad. Computer Science Engineering 93 to 97, JNTU Hyderabad. Okay. Yes, after 97, same year I got the job. Immediately I got the job. Finally itself got the job because of my career. That time getting computer science engineering very rare case. That time getting computer science engineering is very rare case. So finally itself I got the job. So immediately joined the job without 1 day delay. Immediately I joined the job. Okay. So this is 1.0. Yes, in year 1995. Yes, our group. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, sharing all the information. Yes, it's World Students Group. Okay, World Students Group is here sharing all the information. Okay, yes, that is 1.0. So 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. Yes, I know very well. Yes, about Java release, I know very well here. Java release, I know very well. With lot of publicity, Java released. Yes, 1995. In the year 1995, Java released with lot of publicity. Okay, one second. Some guy is struggling to join. One second. Yes. Yeah, this is JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995, first version of Java. 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1995. Okay. Yes, first version of JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 is released with main features. Main features as below. As below. Here JDK 1.0. See JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Independent of JDK 1.0, first version of Java. 1.0 is the first version. That first version released with main features as below. Independent platform. Okay, next. Yes, portability. Portability. Yes, portability. Yes, next, object oriented programming features. Okay. Yes, next, scalability. Scalability. And the next, security. Okay. See, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, independent platform, portability, group language, scalability, and security. Okay, independent platform, portability, group language, scalability, and security. These are the main features of Java. So first version of Java 1.0, that 1.0, that 1.0, so 1.0, so 1.0, so first version of Java 1.0, so 1.0, yes, released. So 1.0, so 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, independent platform, portability, group language, scalability, and security. So these are initial features of Java. These are initial features. Okay, initial features 1995. Let me remove this. Is not necessary for us. Yes. So first version of Java released in year 1995. Yes, 1995. That first version released with main features as well. They are initial features of Java. Initial features. Later, JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1. Yes. Next, second version of Java. Second version of Java. Second version of Java. Second version of Java released in the year 1996. JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1. Second version of Java. JDK 1.1. Next version. Second version of Java released in year 1996. Second version of Java released in year 1996. Second version. Okay, this second version JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1. Yeah, this one divided. JDK 1.1 divide into 3 editions. Initially only three editions. Okay. So JDK 1.1 divide into 3 editions. Only 3 editions. Later fourth edition added. Later fourth edition was added here. Later fourth edition added. Okay. Yes. Yes, JDK 1.1 divide into 3 editions. First one, JSE. Yes. Calling it J2SE. J2SE. Okay. Yes, Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. So JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. First one, JTSE, Java Standardization. Okay. Next, second version. Yes, next edition, JEE, J2WE. Yes, it's the Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's the Enterprise Edition. Yes, Java Standardization. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, next. Yes, JME. J2ME, calling it J2ME. Yes, Mobilization. So JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. JDK 1 to 3 editions here. So first one, Java Standardization, Java Enterprise Edition, next Java Mobilization. So these 3 editions here. JDK 1.1. Second version released in the year 1996. Okay. So this JDK 1.1. Yes, Sunsoft. So this is from the Sunsoft, right? Initially from the Sunsoft. Later taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Initially Sunsoft. They have divided JDK 1.1 into 3 editions. Like Java Standardization, Java Enterprise Edition, next Java Mobilization. Okay, after that, next JDK Yes, 1.2 edition next JDK 1.3, next 1.4, 1.4 next JDK 1.5. Yes, JDK 1.5. Yes, main important version. Yes, out of all these versions, JDK 1.5 major changes were done. In JDK 1.5, major changes were done here. Okay, yes, we'll discuss. In topics, in actual topic, I'll explain what are changes were done in JDK 1.5. We'll discuss. Okay, next 1.6, next after 1.7, next 1.8, following is Java 8. 1.8 is Java 8. Java 8. Yes, next Java 9. Yes, Java 11 released. Java 10 not released. Java 10 version is there but not released. Java 13 released. So there are different different versions here. Yes, all these versions we'll discuss. All these versions I'll explain very clearly. Okay, yes, in this special case JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. JDK special version is JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Tiger version. It's called a Tiger version. Tiger version. It is called as Tiger version. Tiger version released. Yes, released. Released in the year, yes, 2004. JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Tiger version released in the year 2004. 2004. Yes, in Tiger version, many features were added here. Yes, here many features. Many features were added. So, what are the features added in JDK 1.5? Yes, in actual Java, I'll explain. Once entering to Java programming, that time I'll explain. Once entering to Java programming, that time we'll discuss about JDK 1.5 features. So many features were added in this version. In this version. In this version. In this version. Okay. Not only many features here, even fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. Fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. Fourth edition. Yes, JFX means JavaFX. 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 Javafx also added in this version here. JavaFX, JFX also added in this version here. Okay, so finally here, yes, Java got the success. Java got the success with JDK. Yes, Java got the success with JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5 version. Finally, Java got the success. Finally, Java got the success with JDK 1.5 version. JDK 1.5 released with many features. Many features. With that, it got the success. Yes, to become success, how many years it was taken? Yes, to become success. Java to become success, how many years? How many years it was taken? See, JDK 1.5, 2004. 2004. When first release? When first release? 1995. First release, first version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995 to 2004, almost 10 years, right? It was taken for 10 years to become success. Yes, it was taken for 10 years to become success. See, not only Java, even you guys also get the success if you worked for 10 years. 10 years of experience is not easy. Yes, if you worked on any field, if you worked for 10 years, getting success. 10 years of experience is not a small thing. Okay, 10 years, very long period. So over a period of 10 years, yes, got the success. Okay, even you guys also can get success. 10 years experience. Okay, yes. So here, so Java finally got the success with JDK 1.5 version. Okay, so JDK finally here now finally, yes, JDK get divided into 4 editions, totally 4 editions. So finally JDK divided into 4 editions. JDK divided 4 editions. These are the first 3 editions. These first 3. First three. Yes, next one. Yes, FX. Yes, FX. Yeah, this is calling it JavaFX. JavaFX. Yes, yes, don't have JTFX. No, don't JTFX, just only FX. See, all these are called J2SE. Why this is 2? Why this is 2? Why this is 2? See here. JTSE, J2W, JTM. Why these 2 here? Reason second version. JDK 1.1. Second version. JDK 1.1. Second version of Java. Second version. Second. So 2 means second version. 2 means second version. 2 means second version. 2 means second version. Okay. Second version of Java. Second version of Java. Because of 2 reason, second version is second version. Second version in the year 1996. That's it here. Okay. So here's the second version. Right. See, I'm repeating once again. Yesterday topic, just repeating. Yes, day 2. So actual classes. Yes. So even actual class 3 days at free of cost you can attend. Yes, Java. What is Java? What is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java. What is Java? Means simple answer. Java is an OOP language. So OOP stands for object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. See JDK, Java Development Kit, Java software, JDK, Java software, Java Development Kit from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. See JDK 1.0, first version of Java released near 1995. 1995. Yes, I know very well. Yes, 1995 I was in engineering. Okay, I started learning software. 1995 started learning software. I was in engineering. Yes, I had the very good idea about this Java release. Yes, Java 1995 Java released with lot of publicity. With lot of publicity Java released. Okay, with lot of publicity. Okay. Yes, 1995 that time Microsoft is most popular in the market. Microsoft technology are very most popular. 1995 that time Microsoft is very popular in the software field. Yes, to compete with the Microsoft products, Java released with different features. Yes, that history I'll explain. Yes, how Java competing with Microsoft. Yes, how that competition between Microsoft and Sunsoft. The topic today we'll discuss that history. That history only we are discussing now. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java in the year 1995. Okay. Yes, first version released with these features. Independent of platform, portability, OOP language, scalability, and security. They are first version features. First version. Yes, next version JDK 1.1. Second version of Java released near 1996. 1996. So the JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. See, initially only 3 editions. Initially only three editions. So first one SE, Java Standardization. Next one W means Java Enterprise Edition. Next one Mobilization. So these 3 editions. 1.1, next 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 11, 13, up to 13. Okay, yes. JDK 1.5, yes, it is called as Tiger version. It is called as Tiger version. Yes, released in the year 2004. Yes, this is very important version. Yes, out of all the versions, it's very important version here. Very important version here. Yes, JDK 1.5. Many features were added in this version. Yes, 1. Special focus on 1.5. Okay. Yes, we'll discuss. In actual programming, I'll explain. In actual programming, 1.5 features I'll explain very clearly. Okay. Yes. Even fourth edition FX, Javafx. Fourth edition Javafx also added. Javafx also added. Javafx also added here. Okay. So finally, Java got the success with JDK 1.5 version. With JDK 1.5 version, Java got the success. Yes. So here find with JDK 1.5. With JDK 1.5 version, Java got the success. Yes, how many years? Almost 10 years it was taken. Yes, 1.4 released in the year 2004. In the year 2004. Yes, first version 1995. Java release. First version of Java is 1995. Yes, by 2004 got the success. Means almost 10 years. It was taken almost for 10 years. 10 years it means is not a small period. 10 years of period. Anyone get the success. Okay. Yes. See, finally JDK dev into four editions. Four editions. Java Standardization, Java Enterprise Edition, Mobilization, effects. See, don't say JTFX. Don't have only for these two things. For these three things, J2SE, J2W, JTMA region. Why these two? Why these two? Region second version. In second version, JDK 1.1, second version of Java. 2 means second version. Here 2 means it's a second version. 2 means second version. That's it here. Second version. Okay, fine. Yes. Now, what are these editions here? Let us see. What is Java Standardization? What is Java Standardization? Yes, it's a Java technology. It's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Yeah, this is our course actually. Yes, our course is Java SE, comes on the SE. So you are going to learn SE. You are going to learn SE. It's a Java technology. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition, it's a application development. It's application. It's a application development. It's a application development. It's application development. Okay. Yes. Enterprise Edition. It's application development. Enterprise Edition. It's application development. Yes, applications means like Facebook is application. Okay, apps. See, apps. Facebook, Twitter. Okay, Twitter. Okay, next trading, online trading apps. Like this, there are different applications here. Okay, yeah, these kind of applications we can develop using Enterprise Edition. Okay, all frameworks. Yes, all frameworks comes on this category. All frameworks. It's all frameworks. It's all frameworks. All frameworks comes on this category. All the frameworks here. All of the frameworks. Okay, what is framework? We will discuss. About framework, we will discuss. So Java Standardization, Java Standard Edition. It's a Java technology. Java Enterprise Edition. It's application development. Yeah, this kind of applications we can develop in Enterprise Edition. Yes, all frameworks. Yes, under Enterprise Edition. What is framework? Today we'll discuss. About framework, today we'll discuss. Okay. Next, Java Mobilization. So, what is Java Mobilization? Java Mobilization. This is mobile application development. Mobile apps. Mobile apps. So, mobile apps. Yes, this mobile app application development. Mobile apps development. For this, you can use mobile app development here for this. Yes, this area Java 4. Yes, here Java 4. Okay. For this purpose, Android. Yes, industry using Android software. Android software. Android framework. Yes, even for Android framework, we need core Java knowledge. Yes, if you have the core Java based Android software, yes, Android framework. That Android framework in that using core Java programming. So Android also looks like the same core Java programming. Okay, Android from the Google. Okay, that Android code same like a core Java. Okay, Androids are like a core Java. Code is like a core Java. Like a core Java. Okay, so here industry using Android for mobile application development. Java not in use. Java is core here. Okay, yes, next one JavaFX. 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 This is using for visual effects here. Visual effects. Yes, like see videos, all the videos, visual effects in videos, like movies. Okay, yes, maybe any videos, just videos. Okay, yeah, this area also Java is core. This area also Java is very poor. Java is poor. For this purpose, yes, industry using Premier software, Premier software, Premier software from Hadoop, Premier software from Hadoop. Next one more Maya software also available. Industry using Premier and Maya software from Microsoft. Okay. Yet this area Java poor. Yet this area Premier. Yes, industry mostly using Premier software. Even Maya software also almost outdated. It's very old software. Now currently they are using Premier software. Okay. So these two editions, Java not in use. Java not in use. Only these two editions are using here. So first Java Standardization. Yes, it's a Java technology. This is our course. Simply our course. Our course. See, yesterday we discussed about our course contents. Yes, course contents. Our course. See, course contents. So this is course contents. Yes, even yesterday we discussed what next after the course. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'll repeat today also. Don't worry. What next after the course? Today also I'll repeat. Yes, Sagar waits. I'll explain everything very clearly. Yes, I'll give you a lot of information. Okay. Yes, you don't worry. I'll give you a lot of information. Okay. Even Google also will not give that much of information. I'll explain very clearly a lot of information. Even Google or no trainer will give that much of information. Step by step, I'll explain very clearly. Don't worry. Practically, I will show. Framework and platform. What's the difference? Framework and platform. What's the difference? I'll explain very clearly. Don't worry. Okay. Let me explain one by one. Okay. I'll explain very slowly and neatly. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. See, Java Standardization. Yes, Java technology is our course. First, Java, all the fundamentals. So this is for 1 month. That 1 month spending on logic-based programming. More main focus on logic development, improving programming skills. So once you good at programming, 1 month spending on this area. Once you good at programming, then moving to yes next level of Java, next level. So all these fundamentals, yes means programming logics, developing your programming logics, just developing your programming logics. So once you good at this programming, see even IT background students also most of the guys are very poor in programming. More 99% they are poor in programming. Then how to improve their skills, programming skills? With IT background also they are very poor in programming. Then how to improve skills? The top focus, special focus for 1 month. After that, moving to actual Java. Actual Java means Java next level. Hoops concept. Yes, like all these hoops features. How to implement hoops features in Java. Implementation of hoops features. All the hoops features. Okay. Yes, after finishing hoops features, next project related concept starts. These are project related like strings, yes, object wrapper classes, exception handling, collection components. Yeah, this is very, very important. Collections, it will take more time. Special focus on collections because compulsory is mandatory collections. Okay, even you put up the experience 10 years. For 10 years of experience, they also they have to face the interview and the collections. Yes, very, very important. Next, I question is file handling. In these two areas, we'll discuss one real-time project. I'll explain one real-time project. Next, networking. Next, multi-threading. Next, version-wise features. Up to 13 version. JDK 13. Totally 300 programs covering here. Total Java. Yes, 300 programs covering here. Okay. So this is about SE Java Standardization. So this is about SE Java Standardization. SE. Okay. Next. Yes, centralization. Let us see about this one here. Today we'll discuss about this one here. Centralization. What is centralization? Yes, now about framework. Okay. What is exactly framework? We'll discuss now. Just 1 second. Let me have some water. Yes. So Java enterpriseization, yes, it's application development. Okay. All the frameworks. See, Java frameworks. What are Java frameworks? What is framework? We'll discuss now. Java frameworks. First one, Spring framework. 1 second. First one, yes, Struts framework. Yeah, almost outdated. This is Struts framework. Outdated already. Yes, Spring framework. Yes. Next, Hibernate. Hibernate framework. Next, Hadoop. Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework. Yes, next, Spark framework. Yes, next, Spring Boot framework, latest one. So these are different frameworks in Java. First, Struts framework. Yes, what is Struts framework? Yes, Struts framework. Yes, Struts framework. Yes, this is to develop. Yes, to develop. Yes, web applications. Web applications. Web applications. See, web application means yes, this also internet-based web application. Web application, it's an internet-based application. This also internet-based application. Yes, it's a internet. Yes, working on the internet here. It's a internet-based application. Internet-based application. Okay. Yes. See, web application. Yes, it's a internet-based application. But here, web application, yeah, this handles only less number of transactions, small-scale transactions here. Yes, it handles. Yes, it can handle. It can handle. It can handle. Okay, it can handle small number of transactions. Small number of transactions. Okay, small number of transactions means small scale business. For small scale business, using this one here. For small scale business. Yeah, this is suitable for only small scale business here, not for large scale business. Okay. Yes. 1 second. 1 second. See, web applications. This is working on the internet only here. Web application. But web application means it's a small number of transactions. Small scale business. For example, here, website. Developing website. Websites. Yes, how many clients visiting website? Very less number of members. Websites. Company websites. Okay, application is different. Yes, see, website is different. So website is different, application is different. See here. Suppose Durga website, how many maximum 1000 students may be visiting? Suppose take any company websites, maximum 1000 or 2000 or 5000 or 10,000 websites. Okay, that kind of applications are called as web applications. Okay, yes, web applications. That is web application, correct? Next here Spring and Hibernate. So these are to develop the enterprise applications. Spring and Hibernate framework. These are to develop enterprise applications. So these are to develop yes enterprise application. Yes, enterprise application. Yes, enterprise applications. Yes, large scale transactions. Yes, it can handle. Yes, it can handle. It can handle. Yes, large scale transactions here. Yes, large scale transactions means large scale business. This is used for large scale. Yes, large scale business. Large scale business. Large scale business. For example, yes, Facebook is a large scale business, right? Facebook. Okay, Facebook, large scale business. Flipkart, yeah, they are doing large scale business. Many orders daily placing. Flipkart, Facebook, many users uploading data. Okay, Facebook, Flipkart. Okay, suppose yes, online trading apps. Okay, online trading applications. Next, stock exchange application. These applications, stock exchange apps. Okay, stock exchange applications. Exchange apps. Okay, yes, lot of trading in stock exchange, lot of trading every day. Okay, this kind of Twitter. Yes, many applications. Yes, Twitter, many transactions. Twitter. Okay, Twitter. Yes, YouTube, YouTube. These are yes enterprise applications. They are enterprise applications. Yes, Google. Yes, Google search engine. Yes, many searches happens every day here. Google search engine. Okay. Yes, next Gmail. Yes, many mails every day. So these are enterprise applications here. This kind of applications we can develop using these frameworks, Spring framework and Hibernate frameworks. With the help of these frameworks, we can develop the enterprise applications. Okay. Yes, here structure framework is to develop only web applications, Okay. Yes, Spring and Hibernate, these two frameworks to develop yes enterprise applications as well. Yes, web applications also. Yes, even small scale transactions of that applications also can develop using Spring and Hibernate. For both it's a suitable Spring and Hibernate. Spring and Hibernate here. So these frameworks for both web application as well enterprise application. If that application may be small scale transactions or large scale transactions. Any case, yes, we can develop using these frameworks. Okay. See, Python comes under this category, web application category. Python cannot work with the enterprise business. Large scale business, if it is large scale transactions, Python fails. Large scale transactions, Python cannot handle here. In Python, there is a Django framework. Yes, using the Django framework, you can develop the web applications, means small transactions, not huge number of transactions. For large scale business, Python fails. It won't work here. That case, Java is suitable. Java is suitable for everyone. Java is suitable for everyone. Large scale or small scale. For everything, it is Java is suitable. Java is suitable. Java is suitable. Java is suitable. Okay. Yes. Java is suitable. Yes. Right. Yes. Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Okay. Next. Yes. What is framework? I'll tell you. What is framework? I'll tell you. Hadoop and Spark framework. Hadoop and Spark framework. Hadoop and Spark framework. Yes, these are solutions for big data. They are frameworks. Yes, they are solutions. Solutions for yes big data challenges. Big data solutions. They are solutions for yes, big data challenges. Big data challenges. They are solutions for big data. Yes, to store and process big data. To store and process big data. Okay, to store and process big data. Okay, Hadoop and Spark. Yes, these frameworks are solutions for big data challenges like storage and processing here. Yes, big data storage. See here, see up to TB terabytes of data. Yes, up to 1 TB is a small data. Considered as small data. It's a small data. It's a small data like 100 GB. Okay. Yes, suppose 500 GB. Okay. Yes, suppose 1000 GB. 1000 GB. This is yes, a small data. Up to 1 TB is small data. Yes, if it is small data, yes, that old systems can handle old systems like see old systems like Oracle database. Oracle database can store big data. Oracle database, MySQL database, Microsoft SQL servers. So these things can store small data up to 1 terabyte, fine, but more than terabytes of data cannot handle. So what is big data means? It's a huge amount of data. Data more than terabytes. See, terabytes to terabytes, petabytes of data, exabytes of data, data is a big data. This is comes under big data. Huge amount of data is a big data. Okay, this big data. Yes, where how to store this big data? Where to store this data here? Yes, terabytes of data storage. Oracle database cannot is not capable. Oracle database or MySQL database or Windows file system, Linux file system, these are not capable. The old systems are not capable to store this much of data, terabytes of data, petabytes of data, exabytes of data. For this words alternative here, Hadoop. Storage. Yes, big data storage. Storage is a challenge. Big data challenges. Storage and processing. Yes, big data challenge. Storage of big data. Yes, storage. It's a challenge. Challenging here. Okay, challenge industry facing these big data challenges here. Storage problem. Storage where to store. See Facebook, lot of data generating every day. Yes, in Facebook, 5 petabytes of data generating every day here. 5 petabytes of data per day. Yes, where to store the data? Yes, see in Facebook, see 260 crores of clients are there. 260 crores of users in Facebook. Yes, lot of data generating every day. Lot of data. 5 petabytes of data per day generating. Where to store? Yes, Oracle database. No, it cannot handle. Oracle database not capable to store this data. So Oracle database failing. Linux file system failing. Windows file system failing. Then what's alternative? Hadoop. Hadoop is a solution. Yes, Hadoop. No limit in storage. Hadoop, no limit. So data storage and processing. Data storage and data processing. Yes, data processing. Yes, data processing. Yes, big data processing is not easy. Okay, so the big data storage and big data processing is not easy. Data storage and data processing. Big data. Suppose filtering 1,000 records very simple, right? In 1,000 records, suppose 1,000 employees, filtering only male employees. Filtering male employees, it's very simple. 1,000 records. 1,000 records, somewhat little bit difficult. 1 lakh records, very difficult. 1 million of records, yes, very much difficult, right? 1 million, about 10 millions of records. Billions of records, that is big data. Yes, billions of records filtering and getting only male employees, only male users. That is not it. That is not even processing, data processing, filtering our records. Suppose there are billions of records. in billions of records, filtering for only male users. So 260 crores of users who are male users. Filtering only, I want to filter only male records. Male records. That is nothing but data processing. 260 crores of records processing is not easy. It's a big data processing. That is processing here. Filtering data. Okay. Yes, this area. Yes, that old systems not viable. Here this area using Hadoop and Spark framework. Okay, so big data solution. Yes, for big data challenges, Java providing solutions. Java providing solutions for big data things also. So about Hadoop and Spark frameworks. Okay, for big data applications. Okay, next Spring and Hibernate frameworks. So these are for the all internet-based applications. See, 90% of internet-based applications, apps, maybe web applications, web apps on enterprise, web apps on enterprise, web apps and enterprise apps. Okay, developed, yes, using this framework here. 90% of internet-based applications but developed using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Okay, not only this one, even ERP applications, ERP apps also developed. Yes, in Spring. Yes, ERP apps also can be developed here. Also, ERP applications can also be developed here. Can also be developed using this. 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java using these frameworks. Next, even ERP applications can also, ERP apps can also be developed using this one here. So ERP, what is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. What is enterprise resource planning? See, let me show that. What is exactly enterprise? Enterprise is like this. 1 second. Just a minute. There's some more office message. Just a minute. Yes, what is exactly enterprise? See, this is the enterprise. Yes, this is the enterprise. Big industry. This is the enterprise. Suppose manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry. For example, it's a Diebold is a manufacturing industry. ATM machines. Yes, I'm working for that company. Diebold data center. Okay, it's a big industry. Manufacturing that ATM machines. Next, Maruti Suzuki. It's a big company, right? Next, Volkswagen. Now, currently our project Volkswagen projects. Yes, for Volkswagen, we are developing this kind of ERP kind of application. For Volkswagen, we are developing ERP kind of applications. Okay. Yes, just one minute, some office message. Yes, see here. See like purchasing departments, stores departments, raw material management here, manufacturing departments, production department, quality control department, costing, estimating cost of items, costing departments, marketing and sales departments, Next, assembling department, finished goods and management here, shipping department, customers department, HR department. Yes, recruitment of employees here. So recruiting employees here, employees payrolls, next company assets, yes, banking transactions, accounting departments, payments and receivings are like various operations. Yes, very big company. It's a large scale industry. This is called as enterprise. Large scale business. It's a enterprise. Yes, managing all these operations. So managing all these operations. So managing all these different operations, different kind of things here. It's not easy. Very big application here. That application has to manage all this and integrating different departments here. So beyond of this, lot of data generating, lot of data has to maintain. Yes, this is called as enterprise. Yes, to manage this enterprise, we need some application. That is nothing but ERP application. So ERP, enterprise resource planning. Enterprise means it's a big company. Resources means their transactions planning. How they are planning all the resources in their business. That is nothing but ERP. Yeah, that kind of ERP applications also we can develop in Java here. That ERP applications. Yes, using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. That means all the internet-based applications. Okay. Next, ERP application. These kind of things we can develop in Spring and Hibernate framework. Yes, our current project is ERP only. Current project, Volkswagen project, my 19th project. That is ERP project. Okay. Yes, next, big data, also using Java. So these are the different frameworks in Java. Spring Boot is a next level of Spring framework. Spring Boot is a next level of Spring framework. Okay. Yes. So what is exact now framework? What is exactly framework? Let us say framework. Yes, what is a framework? Now frameworks, okay, different frameworks are using for different purpose. What is a framework? So what's a framework? See, framework is a ready-made one. Framework is a ready-made one. Ready-made one, yes, ready to use. Ready to use. Ready to use without writing code. Without writing codes. Without writing codes. Framework is ready-made one, ready to use without writing code, without writing any codes, without writing code, without writing codes. Okay. Yes, it contains all three different classes. See, it contains all predefined classes, all predefined classes. Predefined means already developed. Predefined, it contains all predefined classes, means already developed classes. Already developed. Okay. See, for example here, Java app, yes, connecting to database. Yes, for this purpose, yes, 50 to 60 lines of code we should write. Java application connecting to database. Java app connecting to database. Java application connecting to database. Okay. Java app connect database for this 50 to 60 lines of code required. But yes, with Hibernate framework. With Hibernate framework. Yes. Code not necessary. Code not necessary. Code not necessary. With Hibernate framework. Yes, with Hibernate framework, code not necessary. Okay. Yes, see this framework contains all predefined classes. Okay. Predefined classes. For everything, predefined class. For database coding, predefined classes available. Suppose SMTP. Yes, Java application performing SMTP transactions like emailing system. Java application generating emails. For this predefined code is available. Predefined classes. So for TCP sockets, the predefined classes. Everything predefined class available here. predefined class available here. Okay. Yes. See, simply we can take yes, see, we can take the predefined classes and plug it into projects. Plug it into plug it into projects, can rebuild projects, can build the project, can build the project, build the projects without writing codes, without writing codes, without writing code. Yes, without writing code, you can build the project here. Predefined classes. Okay, we can take all, yes, all predefined classes, all required. We can take required, yes, required predefined classes, and plug into projects. After plugin, yes, we can build the projects without writing codes. Framework is a ready-made one. It contains all predefined classes. Using that predefined classes, just you can build the project here. Framework, it's a collection of predefined classes. Using that predefined classes, we can build the projects. See, I'll tell you one example, framework example. Suppose bridges construction. See, bridges construction. How they are constructing the bridges construction. How they are constructing here. See, very old days here. First of all, raising pillars. Raising all pillars. See, on top of pillars, yes, laying bridge, right? At the old style, laying bridge. Okay, so bridges construction, just first raising pillars, on top of pillars, laying bridge. Yes, that technology will take a lot of time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. See nowadays how they are doing here. Raising pillars, even raising pillars also, yes, machinery available. Within short time they'll finish pillars here. Next, on top of pillars, what they are doing here. On top of pillars, what they are doing here. Simply assembling. Just they are assembling blocks. See, ready-made blocks available. Yes, for bridges construction. Yes, assembling blocks. Yes, just assembling. Yes, they are assembling ready-made blocks. Just they are assembling ready-made blocks here. Ready-made blocks. So that ready-made blocks available. Simply assembling on top of pillars. They are assembling blocks. So that bridge construction finishing within 5 to 6 months. That's it. So very old is years together, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years. But nowadays, yes, 6 to 8 months they are finishing bridges. Yes, raising pillars taking some time here. Yes, assembling matter of 1 month they are finishing. Within 1 month, assembling all the ready-made blocks. Nothing but framework example. Just assembling and constructing bridge. That's it. That is framework. Okay. Next, one more example. Yes, ready-made houses. Yes. Yes, everything is ready-made one. Like walls are ready-made one, platform ready-made, roof is ready-made one. Yes, all these ready-made things, right? Yes, they are moving to different locations. Yes, they are assembling. They are simply assembling. Okay, they are not constructing walls. They are not constructing any roof. They are not constructing any platform. No pillars, nothing. They are not doing anything here. Already available, all ready-made things available. They are moving to required location and simply, yes, assembling. Just assembling house and house is ready. Within 5 days they'll be finishing. See, construction companies, their workers, right? Suppose highway, laying some highway road, right? In highways, yes, their workers purpose. Yes, different companies have the ready-made houses. For example, L&T company. Let's take some L&T. Yes, mostly highways by the L&T company. But the L&T company have the ready-made houses. Okay. So whenever yes, wherever requirement is there, simply they will move all the ready-made houses. They'll build at the construction location. So once construction is over here, yes, once their work is finished here, yeah, then again moving to some other location. The ready-made houses is nothing but it's nothing but a framework, like a framework. So framework means all are ready-made one, ready to use. We can build the project within short time. That is advantage of frameworks. We can build the project in short time. Yes, yeah, we can save the time. Next, even number of Java resources also we can reduce. Project cost we can reduce. With everything is ready-made one. Means within short time we can finish. Even project cost also we can finish. We can reduce. See, this is for example 2017 year GST announced suddenly by the central government, right? GST. Yeah, the GST project we have developed a GST project within 3 months only. Within 3 months we have developed. Within 3 months completed, including testing. Development 2 months, 1 month testing. Even not 1 month, 15 days only testing. Within 15 days, testing completed. So within 3 months, just within 3 months completed and released to market. The biggest urgency that time. GST suddenly announced here. Okay. Yes, within 3 months completed and released. Yes, sold out. Many products we sold out. Many copies we sold out. Okay, about Silitech company. 2017 GST project developed. Within 3 months we have finished and sold. Many copies we sold. We got lot of profits in this function. 2017 it was happened here. So for that use this framework here. Yes, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Combination of these two we developed that project here. Because of everything is ready-made one. Much coding is not necessary. Without writing much coding, yes, we have finished that project. That is the advantage of frameworks. Okay. Using frameworks, we can reduce the code. Yes, we can reduce the time of project development. We can reduce the cost of project development. That is advantage of frameworks. That's it. That is framework. I think understand what is framework. Is it clear? Yes, this guy, who is this guy? Sagar. You understand what is exactly framework? Yes, I hope you understand what is framework. Okay. What is platform? Next topic. What is a platform? Tomorrow topic. We'll discuss tomorrow. What is a platform? Java is independent of platform. The topic tomorrow. Okay. Yes, this is framework. Framework means ready-made and ready to use. Okay. Yeah, these are things available in Java. JDK. Yes, see JDK software. See JDK software. JDK software. Java Standardization, Java technology, Java enterprise edition, all the frameworks. Different frameworks, different purpose explained clearly. And history expanded. Okay, now let us see what is present position of Java. So present position of Java. Let us see about present position of Java. See here. See by the year, by the year 2010, by the year 2010. Yes, 90% of existing projects, yes, were migrated to Java. Migrated to Java. Existing projects were migrated to Java. So what's the reasons? Reasons for migration. So what's the reasons for migration here? See here, by the year 2010, 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java. What's the reason? See, what are the existing projects? 2010 year, existing projects. The existing projects. One second. What are the existing projects? Like Visual Basic, VB, Visual Basic, next VC++. Yes, 2010 means 10 years ago, almost 12 years ago. 12 years ago, the projects were developed in Visual Basic, VC++, next .NET, in .NET. Okay, next C under C under C++, next SAP and Oracle ERP. So these are the existing applications. That time Visual Basic, Visual C++, .NET. Okay, next C and C++ applications. SAP and Oracle ERP applications. Yeah, these existing applications, the existing projects, 90% of these projects were migrated. Reasons. What are the reasons here? See, these are these are these are from Microsoft. These are from the Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft technologies. Microsoft, they are Microsoft technologies. See, Microsoft technologies are is platform dependent, platform dependent, platform dependent, platform dependent means Windows dependent. These are Windows dependent, Windows dependent, Windows dependent. See, Microsoft technologies, they are these suppose any application developed in these technologies here. Any application developed in Microsoft technologies, let's say Windows OS dependent. Yes, Windows OS dependent. Okay, Windows. Yes, what is disadvantage of Windows? Windows disadvantage. What is Windows disadvantage? Tell me, guys. Anyone idea? Yes, what is disadvantage of Windows OS? Anyone idea? Yes, Windows, no idea. Windows disadvantage. Yes, it is not a secure OS. It is not a it's not a secure OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Yes, which is secure OS? Yes, which is more secure OS? Yes, anyone idea? Windows is not a secure OS. Which is secure OS? Linux. Linux, Unix almost outdated. Unix outdated in place of Unix, Linux. Linux is a modified version of Unix base. Linux is a modified version of Unix base. Linux. Linux is a secure. Linux is secure OS. Okay, with Linux, yes, no chance of virus and data hacking. Yes, Windows, yes, chance is data hacking chance is there, virus chance is there. That is well-known fact. Windows not a secure OS. Since Windows is not a secure OS here, yes, most of the clients, okay, interested, interested, yes, interested, yes, to run their applications, to run their apps on Linux, Linux base, Linux base, Linux base. Okay, yes, application running and yet there are apps on Linux base. Yes, suppose these applications cannot run on Linux base. Windows OS dependent. Then what is alternative? Java. Yes, since Java is independent platform. Yes, since Java is an independent platform. Yes, independent platform. Yes, independent platform. Yes, most of the Microsoft clients, clients, yes, were migrated Java. Yes, were migrated Java. Migrated Java. Yeah, that's the reason. So why Microsoft clients are migrated Java? Reason, Windows is not a secure OS. To get the secure Linux platform required on Linux platform means Java. That's it. Only Java can run on Linux platform. Java is independent platform. Okay. Yeah, that's the reason. Next, C and C++. When come to C and C++, when come to C and C++ here, yes, here C and C++. Yes, don't have in C and C++, don't have GA programming. No GA programming. GA programming means this is GA. Yeah, this is GA. See, this is GA. Yes, that forms. This kind of forms you cannot develop in C and C++. No, we can't. C and C++ is a yes hardware level programming. That's for drivers, not for this kind of GA. Yes, for this purpose, that C and C applications also migrated Java because of these forms here, this kind of GA. So next, other applications. Yes, like yes, SAP and Oracle ERP apps. Yes, SAP and Oracle ERP apps. Why these were migrated here? Okay, these are costly in licensing. Costly in licensing here. Licensing. Costly. Costly is the reason here. First, these projects were migrated to Java. Yet Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Means free of cost you can use. Java is freeware. So yes, these clients they can reduce their cost, project maintenance cost. Yet to reduce the project maintenance cost here, these clients were migrated to Java. Java is a freeware. Need not to maintain, need not to pay this licensing here. Not necessary, it's a freeware. That's it. That's the reason here. So here by the year 2010, 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java. That is what was happening in Java. I know that very well. It's my experience. I have seen since first version of Java. I'm working on Java here. Okay, this is completely my live experience. I have seen all of these things here. Okay, right? Yes. Now here. Now what is SC? What is the present position of Java? Yes, one second. One more topic. See, in the year 2010, yes, Java was taken over. Java was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. By the Oracle Corporation. Okay, but in the year 2010, Java was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Once taken by the Oracle Corporation, it has become leader. Yes, it has. Yes, it has become leader in the markets. Leader in the markets. That's it here. Okay. See here. Here, Oracle Corporation is facing competition with Microsoft. To compete with Microsoft. Yes, Oracle Corporation to compete with Microsoft, they have taken over the Java software. After taking over the Java software, now Oracle Corporation has become leader in the software field. See, no doubt, Oracle Corporation is a leader in business. But when come to general business, common business, Facebook is a leader. Yes, Facebook is doing highest business. Facebook is doing highest business. Next, Amazon doing more business. Facebook, Amazon, Google, these companies are doing more business. More business. But when come to software, Oracle is the leader, no doubt. Software business is Oracle Corporation. But when come to other business, common business, Facebook doing large business. Lot of Facebook. Next, Amazon. Okay, Google. These are yes, lot of business they are doing. But when come to software business, Oracle Corporation. Okay, because of Java. Okay, so once Java taken by the Oracle Corporation here, it has become leader in the market. That's it here. Okay, so what is present position of Java? See, present position here. Last 5 minutes completed. Present position of Java. What is present position of Java? See, 90% of internet, internet based apps were developed in Java. Okay. Yes. Next, 90% of ERP applications, ERP apps, also developed in Java. Yes, also developed in Java. Okay, developed in Java. See, 100% big data applications, big data. Yes, big data. Yes, for big data, 100% big data solution in Java. Big data solutions. Big data solutions. Yes, 100% solution. Big data, 100% big data solution from the Java, by the Java only here. Java only. By the Java only here. Okay. See, 90% of internet-based applications. Yes, many companies, many software companies, all the websites developed in Java. Next, their internal operations. That's ERP application. Internal operations are ERP application. That is developed in Java. Okay, internal transactions, internal operations is a ERP that is developed in Java. Many software companies, many hardware companies, many manufacturing companies, many schools, their websites and internal operations. Many schools, many colleges, yes, many trading applications, online trading applications. Yes, many supermarkets, many shops. So many things, right? Lakhs of applications were developed in Java. Yes, big data. Yes, top 10,000 companies facing big data issues. Yes, who are large scale business, top 10,000 companies, big data. Yes, that is also from the Java here. So here, yes, how many applications? Millions of applications. See, millions of apps developed in Java. See, you take any company. Yes, company website, one application required. Company internal operations, another application. Means for every company, minimum 2-3 applications are required. 2-3 applications. Lakhs of companies are there worldwide. Software companies, hardware companies, manufacturing industries, online trading applications. Okay. Yes, like supermarkets, schools and colleges. Like this, millions of applications. Yes. Now, question is to support. Yes, to support millions of applications. Means maintenance. Supporting means maintenance. Yes, maintenance is nothing but maintenance. Maintenance. Just it's a maintenance. Maintenance. To support millions of applications, millions of apps. Yes, how many Java resources required? That's a question. Yes, that is analysis. Okay. To support millions of applications, how many Java resources required here? Yes. Suppose one application minimum 5 to 10 members. Small application of 5 to 10 Java resources required here. Facebook. To support Facebook, how many employees are working? Thousands of employees are working. Facebook application. Okay. Flipkart application. Thousands of employees are working. Yes, Google. Thousands of employees working, right? Yes. That is capacity of Java. Okay. How many Java resources required to support that? Yes. Millions. Millions of resources. Okay. Yes, even resources in millions. Suppose maximum 5 millions of apps available, then 50 millions of 50 millions of employees required. Okay. See here. See, for 1 million of apps, yes, how many here? 10 millions of Java resources required here. 10 millions. 10 millions of Java resources required here. Java resources required. Java required. So what for 1 million of apps means 10 lakhs of applications. 10 lakhs of applications. Yes. 10 lakhs of applications. Yes. 10 lakhs for 10 lakhs, 10 millions of Java means 1 crore. Then 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. See. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. 10 millions. How many? 100 lakhs. Means yes is equal to 100 lakhs. Means 1 CR. Yes, 1 CR of employees required here. 1 crore of employees. That is capacity of Java. That's the reason Java is a evergreen field. Why Java has become evergreen field? Because of the demand. Evergreen field. Because demand this much of application, that is present situation, Java present situation. Okay, yes. No technology beats Java. Because already exists. Yes, well established Java, well established. Now currently Java well established here. No technology reaching to Java position. Nowhere compared. There's a long gap between Java and other technologies. There's a lot of gap is there between Java and other technologies. That's the reason Java has become evergreen field. Yes, many employees taking retirement and new freshers coming here. Retirement and freshers. Okay, see, Java career started in the year 2000 or 98. They are in the stage of retirement. Okay, yes, suppose 2000 year Java career started. They're almost at the retirement stage from the software field. So once they are retired, yes, new employees coming to Java. Yes, new employees always new requirement in Java. Yes, even new applications also developing. See, COVID periods. COVID periods, lot of online training happened, right? Yes, for that purpose, many applications were developed. Yes, almost all that applications were developed in Java. For that reason, yes, since last 1 year, lot of requirement going on in Java here. Since last 1 year, lot of requirement is in Java here. See, Python almost saturated. Python, many students learned here, and Python saturated. Who learned Python, they are waiting for Python jobs. But Java, who completed Java, they are not waiting, immediately getting Java. Now industry unable to get the Java resources. Industry, there's a lot of shortage is there in Java developers. Lot of shortage is there for Java developers. But Python, plenty of Python developers available. Okay. Yes, Python. Okay, they are waiting for jobs. Many Python developers, they are looking for jobs. But Java, lot of shortage is there. So there's a lot of demand for the Java resources. Yes, if you're choosing Java career, yes, lifelong happy. It's evergreen field. Yes, you can choose Java career. So that's all about Java history. Okay, since 1995 to today, what was happened in Java? 1995 to today, what was happened? What is present position? All this. Yes, many topics discussed today. Many things explained. Yes, all that my experience here. See, yes, other trainers, most of the Java trainers, they will get the information from the Google. They will get information. They have to gather information from the Google here. But my case is not necessary. It's all that my experience. Okay. Yes, this information need not to gather from anywhere. It's my experience. Other trainers, they will gather information from the Google. Gathering information different, live experience different. It's all my live experience. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today, day 2. Yes, day 3. Tomorrow we'll discuss Java features. Tomorrow starting the Java concepts here. What is independent platform? What is portability? What is hook language? Security. These features tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay, today that completed, Java history completed, and present situation of Java discussed. Okay, 1 second. This kind of things no one will explain. Not like this. Every class will be like this. Very interesting. My class at generally every class is interesting here. Going forward, day by day, yes, increasing interest like that. Once you started Java coding, very interested. Getting lot of interest once you started Java. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, tomorrow also same link. Tomorrow also same link. Yes, tomorrow same link. Same link. Same link till Saturday. No change. Same link till Saturday. No change. Just 1 second, guys. 1 second. See, this is your group. Yes, course Java 10:45. This is your group. Yes, today's session I'm sharing into group. Yes, 11:45 day 2. Always saved. Yes, this is your group. Yes, next. Yes, today recording also I'll share. Yes, by 2 p.m. I'll share recording also in a group. Okay. Yes, still anyone to share your details. Yes, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, this is my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number 8171819123. Yes, share this your details. I'll have to group your name. Yes, next to yes, what's the course you taking here? What's the course you taking? Okay, next what's the time you taking here? Next for Gmail ID. Yes, I need this information. Please share this information to my number. Yes, I'll add to group. Okay. Yeah, this is take this number. I'll wait for 2 minutes. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Take this number. Take this number. Yes, I'll add to group. Okay. See here. Yes, yesterday's one and today's one. Yes, today's also I'll share it. Tomorrow's also I'll share it. After tomorrow class, I'll give the drive access. Okay, guys, don't worry. Yes, for the time being, I'm using WhatsApp for sharing all. From tomorrow, after finishing tomorrow class, I'll give the drive access. Yes, for your batch, separate drive created. For your batch, separate drive created. Yes, I'll give the drive access. Even I can show the drive also. Drive for your batch. Drive. I think one. This is batch drive. 121. 1 second. No, sorry. Not this one. Then 45. Yes, 21. So drive. So these are these are drive. Course of batch 10:45 here. Recordings uploading here. I'll give the access from this. Sharing to your Gmail. Yes, tomorrow after class. Yes. Yes, I'll give the access like this. You can access all the recordings and even software also. So this is software. Softwares, your softwares and material drive. Here this is material drive. Yes, this is your updated document. Yes, the updated documents and JDK software, Eclipse software, and all this material. This is yes, I'll give the access to this one here. Yes, I'll give the access to these two drives, material drive and recordings. Like this access. Okay. Yes, through the drive we can access everything here. So this is your group created. Okay. Yes. So date you already shared here. Yes, next recording. See yesterday's record shared. Yeah, today's also I'll share it. Today's one also share it. Okay. Yes, this is my WhatsApp number. Take it. So once you take in, yes, we'll stop the session for today. Once you take in, we'll stop session for today. Yeah. So that's all for today. I think no doubts. Yes, today taken more time. Yes, almost 2. Yes, 1 hour and 45 minutes taken class. Yeah. So that's all. That's all for today. Yes. Yes, tomorrow will continue. Okay. Yes, 1.5 hour class compulsory, no doubt. Without 1.5 hour class, I can't finish topics every day. So 1.5 hour class minimum. So thank you guys. Yes, shall we wind up for today? Shall we wind up? Yeah, that's all. So thank you guys. Yes, have a great day.